Hi everyone, welcome to Trade Success. Welcome back to Amibroker tutorials. Today we have a very important topic. We are going to learn how to import CSV data into Amibroker. It's super easy, I promise. Why do we need this? You need price data to test your trading ideas, and CSV is the most common data file. Today we will learn two ways to do this. First, we will do it manually. It takes just 1 minute. Second, I will show you how to do it with Python. Don't worry, Python is for later. What is CSV file? CSV file is like a simple text file. Almost every data provider uses this format. You can download CSV files from Yahoo Finance, Google, or your broker. It's a universal format. That means every trading software can read it. Inside the file, the data is just text. The numbers are separated by small commas. It's very light and very fast to load. That is why we love CSV files for trading. Before we import, let us look at the structure. A good trading CSV file has 6 main columns. Look at this list. First we have the date. This tells us when the price happened. Second we have the open price. Third is high price, which is the highest price of the day. Fourth is the low price, the lowest price. Fifth is the close price. This is most important one. And sixth is the volume. This tells us how many shares were traded. Sometimes you also see adjusted close. But these 6 are the standard columns. Make sure your file has them before import. Now let us do the manual import. Watch my screen. I will show you the 5 steps. First, open your Amibroker. Go to the top menu and click on File. Then click on Import Wizard. Now a small pop-up window open. This is the ASCII Import Wizard. Then click on the Pick Files button to browse your computer. Find your CSV files and double click it. Then click Next. Then next, now we map the columns. Tell Amibroker which column is dead, which is open, and so on. Just match the names. It's like a simple game. Finally, click Finish. Look at that, your chart is now on the screen. This was very easy, right? Okay, so you know how to do it manually now. But what if you have 100 CSV files? Doing it manually will take all the day. So that is where Python comes to help us. Python is a simple computer language. With Python and a tool called Pandas, we can automate this. Look at this simple code on my screen. It is only 5 lines of code. This code can read all your CSV files in seconds. Then it sends them to Amibroker. We will make a full tutorial about Python in the future. I just wanted to show you what is possible. If you like this video, please click the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.